Abuela Julia, what are we making today?
We're gonna make empanadas.
Yum.
We're gonna, with peach filling, and I'm gonna make some dough first, and I have everything here.
Here's what you need. Start with 3 cups of flour. And I didn't want to mess this up, so I asked about sifted flour, but...
No, just regular flour. I never sift it.
Then a half a cup of lard. And Abuela Julia prefers lard. She likes it better for pie crust, but for those vegetarians, you can use Crisco. One last ingredient.
Just a pinch of salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Now Abuela Julia mixes by hand and mixes in a little cold water, about 1 full cup. But you can judge how much water, just enough to mix it all together.
Some little balls here.
Grab some dough and roll it out. Then add an egg wash to the outer edges. An egg wash is just an egg and water. Then she adds a few scoops of fresh peach filling. Fold your dough over and seal it.
Push it down real good, and then you can make sure it's good and sealed.
Then coat with a little more egg wash. Cook at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now it was my turn to try making one.
Let me help you. let me turn it for you.
That was code for, you're doing it wrong. Let me step in and save you.
You're doing fine.
So how'd we do?
Yummy. Really good.
You can make empanadas at home. Just go to KOB.com for the recipe and visit Abuela Julia at their food truck Stuffed Lust by following them on Instagram and Facebook. Casey Messer, KOB4.
Looks good.
Yum.
Always trying to make me
mini
hungry.
pie.
Not hard to do this time of the morning. And this guy, oh my gosh, he eats like
not at all.
nobody's business.
Every 30 minutes.